Welcome to an inconspicuous part of my bathroom. I have an updated skincare routine that I have been dying to share with everybody. This skincare routine really targets the issue for combination skin, like how do I adequately moisturize my skin without clogging my pores and leading to breakouts, because other parts of my skin are dry and it needs moisture as well. So like, what do I do? This skincare routine has really targeted all of those concerns for my combination skin. So really excited to share this with you guys. I'm just gonna, part my hair, get it out of the way, and then I'm gonna first start by taking off my makeup. I'm going to be using the Papaya Sorbet Enzyme Cleansing Balm from Glow Recipe. I've been using this for over a year and look, I'm almost out. Oh, it's like so soft and buttery. I've used a lot of cleansing balms in the past. Used probably every single popular one that was really hyped up, and while I did like some of them, nothing comes close to being as good as this cleansing balm. I love this one because it's a cleansing balm that has enzymes in it, so it helps like really gently exfoliate my dead skin, and I have really sensitive skin. It's like really sad sometimes. So this is a product that exfoliates so gently that even my super delicate skin is totally cool with it, and it's never caused me a problem. And as you can see, I was wearing like pretty strong mascara and also a mascara base that is like infamously hard to remove, but this just like really quickly melts everything off, and it's so gentle even with the exfoliating properties. Like I can still use it over my eyes, like there's no problem with that. In every single skincare routine that I've done in the past like 4 years, I've always used the same cleanser. It's the Calm Nourishing Cleanser for Normal to Dry Skin from Paula's Choice. This is like my 10th bottle that I've ever gone through, and it's just an amazing, super gentle, milky cleanser, perfect for easily irritated skin, combination skin, literally anyone's skin. Everyone in my family uses this. I've replaced all the cleansers in my house with this cleanser. It's just that amazing. All right, cleansed my face. First, before I do the rest of my skin, I'm going to do lip care really quick, and I'm using the lip cushion from M Cosmetics. This is the only lip balm that I've ever found that is as intensely hydrating as a salve, but comes in a stick form instead. So it feels really sanitary. Sometimes I like to top off with a lip mask, and this is the Honeydew lip mask from Then I Met You. Super glossy and just leaves, honestly, the prettiest look. It's like nothing makes me happier than a moisturized lip. Like, is that like such a weird thing to say? It's because, I have chronically dry lips, so nothing makes me happier than a well moisturized lip. All right, I'm going into my toner, and it's another product from Then I Met You, which is the Birch Milk Refining Toner. This is probably one of my favorite skincare brands. I, again, like I mentioned, have combination skin, so there are very few products that I can use all over my skin that makes my skin equally happy. But this toner is so balancing. It gives the right amount of moisture to my dry skin and my oily skin, and it just makes everything like super happy and balanced. Then for serum, it's another product from Then I Met You. I didn't realize that I had so many products from them in my skincare routine. This is their Calming Tide Gel Cream, and originally I didn't know how I felt about this. I felt like it was kind of gimmicky. The shape of it, it sits like this, and it takes up a lot of space in a very awkward way because like it sits upwards and it's also like wide. Actually, what's inside is really amazing. This again is another product that I can actually use throughout my entire face. It's really amazing because it's so lightweight that you can use it as a serum for your dry parts of your skin, but it can be a lightweight gel moisturizer on the oilier parts of your skin, which is why I love to use it throughout my entire face. So over here on my dry spots, it's going to work as a really nice brightening niacinamide serum, but then on my forehead, it's also going to work as a nice lightweight niacinamide gel cream. And that is honestly it for all of my steps for my forehead. It's literally just 2 steps. It's going to be a balancing toner and also a lightweight gel cream. And it has been so many years since I could actually use a moisturizer on my forehead. Finally, I found this gel cream, and it's honestly amazing. So I wonder if you guys can see this. This like red splotch right here. Like it's not too bad on camera, but earlier today and also yesterday it was really bad. It's also really perfect to share with you guys, you know, like what I go through with my skin. It could be the most random thing that will lead to a really horrible, I guess like outbreak. Actually, what is going on here is that I fell asleep under my siblings' freshly washed blanket and I had a full-on reaction on my forehead because of that laundry detergent. So yeah, although not the entire purpose of this video, I did want to share some products, you know, that have been helping in times of bad reactions. For the irritation on this side of my forehead, I didn't use my niacinamide cream. I'm actually going to use the Delicate Recovery line from Kate Somerville, and this is the serum. I do really love this serum. The only reason why I don't recommend it as much as I want to is because it's really expensive. Regardless of the price point, I do have to say that out of all like delicate skin serums that I've ever used, this is definitely my favorite. So I do think it's worth the price point, and it's just like one of my favorite serums to use. Like it's so gentle, and you know, I can use it no matter how irritated my skin is. Following up on that, for my irritated part of my skin, I am using the Delicate Recovery Cream, again from Kate Somerville. It's the same line. This is the thickest and most nourishing face cream I have ever used. So I do feel like if you have like really dry skin, like flaky patches, or if you have eczema, this is a really great product. Now for the rest of my skin, I don't need something as thick as the Delicate Recovery Cream, so I'm using the Rich Moisture Cream from Birch. It is like really bouncy and lightweight, but it's like thick and moisturizing at the same time, like even after I rub it into my skin. One final product that I would like to talk about, which I didn't actually use because like I don't need it, is the Kate Somerville Eradicate Acne Treatment. It is a sulfur acne spot treatment, and I feel like I have used other ones in the past, like the one from Mario Badescu, but it didn't really work for me, so I wasn't too interested in it. But I really like this one because it actually works so well. I do have like a really light pimple right here, and like a couple of days ago it was super massive and angry, but I used this spot treatment on it literally just once, and overnight by the next day the pimple shrunk so much in size and so much in color, and it was like dead. It was gone. So it's a really impressive spot treatment product, one that I feel really works. So that's it for my skincare routine. I know that there's quite a lot of steps, but generally speaking, like it's really fast, and I feel like my combination skin has been more balanced than it's ever been in my life. So I'm really happy with this skincare routine. I hope you guys found this video to be helpful. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys again next week. Bye!